Have you ever wondered? Can a single nuclear bomb destroy an entire country? The simple answer is no. No single nuclear weapon can physically wipe out a large nation, but it can destroy a major city in minutes. So what makes it so powerful? To understand that, you need to understand the science. A nuclear bomb does not rely on ordinary explosives, it runs on atoms. Inside a nuclear weapon is a special radioactive material, usually uranium-235 or plutonium-239. Surrounding it are conventional explosives arranged with extreme precision. When detonated, these explosives compress the radioactive core into a supercritical state, and then the real reaction begins. This is called nuclear fission. A heavy atom splits. When it splits, it releases an enormous amount of energy along with 2 or 3 high-speed neutrons. Those neutrons strike other atoms. They split, they release more neutrons, and within microseconds, millions upon millions of atoms are breaking apart. This is a chain reaction, an uncontrolled chain reaction. Now imagine that happening. Almost instantly, before you even hear the explosion. A massive fireball forms. Temperatures can reach several million degrees Celsius hotter than the surface of the sun. The surrounding air expands violently. This creates a supersonic blast wave. Buildings collapse, windows shatter miles away. Concrete structures can crumble. At the same time, an intense flash of thermal radiation spreads outward. Skin can suffer severe burns from kilometers away. Just from the heat, then comes invisible danger. Gamma rays, neutron radiation. These penetrate the body at the atomic level, damaging cells and breaking DNA. If the explosion occurs near the ground, soil and debris are sucked upward into the mushroom cloud. They become radioactive, and as they fall back to Earth, this is called nuclear fallout. Fallout can contaminate land, water, and food supplies. For years, now consider scale. Modern thermonuclear weapons are hundreds of times more powerful than the bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Still, even they cannot physically erase an entire country. But the real danger grows when multiple weapons are used. If dozens or hundreds were detonated, massive amounts of smoke and soot could rise into the atmosphere. Sunlight would be blocked. Global temperatures could drop. Crops would fail. Food systems would collapse. This scenario is known as nuclear winter. So the true fear of nuclear weapons is not only the blast, it is the chain reaction that follows: environmental, political, and global. Because once unleashed, the consequences extend far beyond the battlefield. A nuclear bomb is not just a bigger explosion. It is one of the most destructive forces of physics that humanity has ever unlocked, and that is why it remains one of the most feared weapons on Earth.